Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So my name is Jason, I'm a prop trader and I'm always keeping an eye on all of the prop firms and seeing what's changing so I can give you all the best news updates. So funding talent are perceived by a lot of people as the number one industry right now, and they've just made a huge announcement on the 4th of August which changes everything. I think it's probably a bit of a bad move on their part, which could end up being a negative in the long term. So we knew they're going to make some changes in August. That came from their previous announcements, but unfortunately it appears they're doing a big sort of technology server upgrade behind the scenes as well, and that has caused some huge outages, and because of that they've actually stopped allowing people to trade indices, gold and crypto, which is huge. Those for me are the most popular ones, especially gold and the US 30. Now they believe they can get it back in a few weeks, but crypto in itself, they don't know when it's going to come back on. So let's have a look at their FAQs and see what they've actually said on their website. So here we are, program changes starting August the 4th. Now, I think a lot of these have been rushed announcements because obviously made some changes potentially to their broker or their server platforms, and things have changed dramatically. So the first thing, why did spreads go up? Spreads going up is always a really bad thing for traders, especially on instruments that are really tight spreads, especially US 30 and Forex pairs. I don't know what particular spreads have changed across the board, so it could be just one or two, but if spreads have gone up across the board, that's definitely a bad thing. Now they're saying that spreads have changed to get a more realistic look at the market and mirror what live trading experience is all about. Now, live trading experience on the major Forex pairs, the spreads are so minuscule, it's almost nothing at all. You're talking about 0.5 of a pip on euro dollar. So I can see a lot of traders really getting angry with spreads are changing, especially if that's their particular currency pair they like to trade a lot of the time. The next one, why have they introduced commissions? So commissions on the server designed to, again, provide a more realistic look at the market and mirror live trading experiences. But if you're able to give zero commissions before, why doing that now? So if you're adding on wider spreads and commissions, that's going to make it a lot harder for traders to make a profit. So again, can I trade any indices, metals or crypto? No, crypto, indices or metals are not available at this time. So indices and metal will be coming back from the 15th of August, but again, there's no date when crypto will be coming back. So why are they making these changes? I understand why they want to make changes to allow more realistic market conditions, but again, all of the traders are trading on demo accounts, so therefore realistic market conditions are almost irrelevant. So they've also implemented a new server, and that's given lots of technical challenges, especially around the server freezing and giving incorrect pricing feeds on indices and cryptocurrencies. Now, any technology upgrade should go through rigorous and stringent testing before it's actually released into the market, and you're able to roll back as well. If they put this in there and they've actually experienced it from day one, they should better roll back to the old technology and have no issue at all, and therefore still be able to provide indices, crypto and gold, for example. And that's why this last statement really does sound a bit ambiguous, because they're saying, although it's not ideal, we feel that these changes are being made to make sure the members can have the best trading experience, and they're trying to resolve the issues. Now, the best trading experience would have been to stay as you were, because everybody enjoyed that. So they have said we'll give you a refund if you don't like these changes. Now, that in some ways is nice, but it's also not great in other ways. Let's just say I was doing a challenge and I was at my verification phase, I was getting close to passing, and all I traded was gold, and now that's no longer available, and I don't have the strategies to trade Forex. Now, although they're very similar, it could be as a trader, that's not what I want to trade. I only want to trade gold. Therefore, I've put in months worth of work and effort to get to a point of passing this, and then they're going to take it away from me. As we know, reputation is key amongst the prop trading industry, and as soon as things start to go negative for one, the ripples will just continue, and you'll soon start to see a lot of people think, okay, why would I sign up with this company when they go and change their rules on the fly with no notice whatsoever? It's happened once, will it happen again? Are they having underlying technology issues? Are they having issues that they don't want people to trade gold and US 30 because that's where huge amount of money is being made for the traders and they don't want to keep paying out? So for me, this opens up another load of questions. Are they just doing this for an interim? Is it just going to be long term? Are they going to sneak these changes in over time and therefore not allow them back in? If they commit to having gold and indices back by the 15th of August, they really have to make sure that does come on board, as well as their announcements by the 30th of August of when crypto is going to come back. You really have to stick to those to make sure that when you say you're going to do something, you do it. So I hope you enjoyed my quick video on funding talent today and some of the real fast announcements they made this week. I don't think it's ideal, but I think they might be able to work around this one. But again, for the short term, I think a lot of people will not be signing up right now and probably wait until the end of the month and see what settles down and therefore start on the program with them again. So yeah, see you all again soon. Cheers.